Hey everybody, today I'm going to do a short little video on preparing your fifth wheel so you can you be in it in the wintertime and have a ice maker. So anyway, we have an Alliance Paradigm 365 RD, but this is on most of the fifth wheels. So what we have is we have our residential refrigerator, and it's on a slide. So a lot of the manufacturers don't hook up the ice maker at the factory, and so the dealer will do it. And as you can see, we just have like an ice maker. So we want our ice maker to work in the winter, but we don't want it to freeze either. So, and we full-time, obviously. So I'm gonna walk outside and show you what I did. So basically, we don't winterize our camper like to leave it somewhere parked because we live in it. We have bays that are heated. We have heating pads like on the tanks and everything. But what you have to be aware of on the ice maker itself, and it's like this on a lot of the units, it's not just the Alliances and it's not just the Paradigms, is we have the slide right here where the refrigerator was. And you can see here that there is a insulated line that is newly insulated. And I'll put like a picture in the corner or something if you want. But this line right here, which is normally just a blue line that you can see, and I'll like put some silicone up there to seal it up 100%. But anyway, this line right here needs to be insulated. And I looked into like doing something like with heating it and plugging it in or something. And all the heat tape stuff that I looked at basically said it's only for pipes. Essentially, and you would melt like a regular hose like this. And so pretty much what everybody is doing, if they want to winterize, they want to keep the line running in the winter and they plan on living in it, is they basically just go to Home Depot and they get this insulation for pipes, and they get the appropriate size for the their hose. And you'll see like I have thicker stuff here and thicker stuff here. What's going on is there's one type of hose here, there's another type of hose here, and there's connections. So I basically ran the smallest one that I could over the pipe, and then where the connection was, I went and I put the next size larger up on it. And you can buy these, they're really kind of inexpensive at Home Depot. And then the other thing you need to look for is anywhere else under your camper. So this is a drain, so it doesn't need, it just has air in it. So this doesn't need to be insulated, but this right here, it's actually the overflow. This is the drain for the fresh water tank. So I insulated it also because there's actually water in here. And then there's some more drains over there. So you just want to look all around the bottom of your camper for these blue or red or sometimes white hoses. And basically you need to put insulation on them if you plan on living in your camper in the wintertime. This may not work in like Antarctica or anything like that, obviously, but it should be good for like the United States, I would have to say. At least the warmer part of the United States. We're in Charlotte, North Carolina. We'll be in Florida for a while. We'll be in below freezing, but we're not going to be in polar Arctic conditions. So anyway, hopefully this little kind of video helps you guys out, and we'll see you guys around and do another travel video later on. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.